Looking for the ultimate comfort meal? Today we're making cheesy pork ribs caldereta that is next level delicious with a rich, velvety sauce that hits the spot every single time. I'm using pork ribs for maximum flavor, but pork shoulder or belly work great too. Toss the meat with soy sauce, lemon or calamansi juice, and pepper. Marinate in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to let the flavors develop. Drain well but save that leftover marinade. Flash fry the bell peppers in hot oil for a few seconds to unlock their sweetness. Pan fry the potatoes and carrots until lightly browned and nearly tender. Saute onions and garlic until fragrant. Add the pork ribs and sear until lightly browned. Stir in tomato paste until every piece is coated. Pour in the reserved marinade and water. Add chili peppers for heat and a few tablespoons of pickle juice for a tangy kick. Bring to a boil, skim off any foam that rises on top, cover, and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the ribs are fork tender. Toss the potatoes and carrots back in until fully cooked. And then add the bell peppers. Stir in the liver spread to give the sauce that ultimate savory richness and to thicken it to perfection. Shred some cheese for a touch of creaminess. Season with salt and pepper to taste and continue simmering for a few more minutes. This cheesy pork ribs caldereta is simple enough for a cozy family dinner but fancy enough to be the star of any party. Serve it hot with steamed rice and enjoy!